physical development is commonly known as pregnancy. When I was pregnant, I found out that it lasts for 40 weeks. It is divided into 3 trimesters. The first trimester being weeks 1 through 12, the second trimester being weeks 13 through 26, and the third trimester being weeks 27 through 40. The first 2 weeks of pregnancy aren't actually considered pregnant. It's not until the 3rd week that the sperm fertilizes the egg in the fallopian tube. At that point it is considered a zygote. The zygote divides rapidly as it makes its way down the fallopian tube. It will be known as a blastocyte and will embed into the uterine wall. The 2nd month, it will officially start the embryonic cycle. The brain, spinal cord, heart, and other organs begin to form. The facial features begin to form. The trunk starts to straighten out, and at this point, the website The Bump considers the fetus to be about 1/2 inch long and is about the size of a blueberry. During the 3rd month, the head takes a round shape and now is officially considered a fetus. It has a human profile, and the head takes up half the length of the fetus, giving it a peanut-like shape. The 4th month is the beginning of the 2nd trimester. The intestines move from the umbilical cord into the abdomen. The spleen produces red blood cells. The skeleton is forming, and the baby creates a sucking motion. And in the 5th month, the American Pregnancy Association, the APA, says that the baby starts to develop fat underneath the skin, and that the vernix is produced, which is a pasty-like substance on the surface of the skin which protects the skin from chapping while in the amniotic fluid. During the 6th month, fine hair is grown from head to toe, covers the baby. The baby has a regular wake and sleep cycle, and the website The Bump also will consider the baby to be about 10.5 inches long, which is the size of a cantaloupe. During the 7th month, the lungs produce surfactant, which helps the air sacs within the lungs to inflate, but also when the lungs deflate, it keeps the sacs from sticking together. In the 8th month, the bones are fully developed, though they are still soft and pliable. Bone marrow is now creating red blood cells, and the nervous system is mature enough to regulate the body temperature. In the 9th month, limbs have become chubby and the baby is gaining a lot of weight. And in the 10th month, the baby is considered full term, organs are ready to function on their own, and the due date has arrived. So when the 1st trimester with the organs being developed, the 2nd trimester the skeleton and baby fat is being developed, and in the 3rd month the maturing of organ functions and weight gain. If all of these are successfully completed, a healthy baby will be born.